Okay, guys. So today we are going to start our lesson number 4 as we have already completed lesson number 1, 2, and 3. So let me review the lessons before moving to lesson number 4. In lesson number 1, we came to know about basics of networking, like what is networks, types of networks, and the benefits of networks. Okay. In lesson number 2, we came to know about networking devices, that what are the devices we will be using in our network or in our organization for communication and connectivity. In third, we came to know about networking media. In that media, like what type of cable we will be using in our network for communications, and what are the current cables we are using in our day to day life. Okay, so normally we are using uh, twisted pair cable in our organization, in our home. Okay, and fiber optic cables are used in ISP networks for WAN communications. We are not using a fiber optic cable inside our LAN environment. Okay. Okay, guys. So networking cable and standards. So this networking cable and standards is totally dependent on lesson number 3, because in that we have came to know about our twisted pair cable. If you have any doubt, you let me know, so we will talk on that. Okay, now, so these are the topics what we will be covering in our lesson number 4. Okay, so what is network cabling? See, understand this, guys, very important lesson. Lesson number 4 and lesson number 5 after this is very important lesson of this chapter. Okay, so now network cabling. So why do we need to understand network cabling? The first option. Okay, so understand this one. Network cables are used to connect and transfer data and information between computers, routers, switches, and other networking storage devices and other type of networking areas or networking domains like LAN, WAN, CAN, MAN, these types of networking domains. Now, so there are different types of communication cable, right? So if my laptop is connected to switch, I'm talking about wired networking, okay, not wireless, because in wireless there is no any type of cable, okay. So when my PC is directly connected to switch, so which type of cable I'm using? If my PC is directly connected to router or firewall, so which type of cable I will be using? Okay, I'm gonna to use. Okay. Second, if my PC is directly connected to another PC, so which type of cable you are going to use? So these types of information you will get in this lesson. Okay. So whenever we are talking about network cabling, so network cabling is totally dependent on this twisted pair cable communication. Okay, that okay, twisted pair is cable is coming just like a raw material. So according to your need, okay, according to your need, you are going to construct that cable for your communication. Is it okay? Now, so this is your twisted pair cable, this one. Okay, so this twisted pair cable, like suppose I went to market and I brought this cable because I want to configure network, I want to install network in my organization. Now, but when I'm talking to configure these all in my organization, so I have different types of networking device. So if my PC is directly connecting to switch, which type of cable I'm going to use? If my PC is directly going to connect with router, which type of cable I'm going to use? So this type of information you need to know. Okay. So twisted pair cable is used in Ethernet network. Okay. Ethernet network means Ethernet, fast Ethernet, and gigabit Ethernet. So the type of twisted pair cabling is a straight cable, cross cable, and rollover cable. Okay, now this chart is very much important. If you know this chart, you know the cabling. Very simple chart. Okay, so if you know this, you know this lesson. If you understand this one. Now see, this is the device list. Hub, switch, router and workstation means PC. Now if I am connecting hub to hub, okay, nowadays we are not using hub, but you have to know this one because it is in the list. Okay, so if I'm connecting hub to hub, so I need cross cable. Why? Because hub and hub is same device. So if you want, you can make a note that if I want to connect, sorry, if I want to connect same device, I have to use cross cable. Okay, this is for same device. So same device is what? PC to PC, hub to hub, switch to switch, okay, router to router. So when I'm talking about same device, PC to PC, router to router, switch to switch, hub to hub, in that case you have to use cross cable. Now straight cable I have to use when I'm connecting my device to a different device, like hub to router. Okay, hub and switch is the same family. Okay, they both used for connecting multiple devices, so don't worry, it's not so that hub you are connecting hub and switch. Okay, so hub and switch is a different device, but the technology is same. That's why they are using same cable. Okay, so here you have to understand that a straight cable I have to use when I'm connecting my device to different device. I'm PC, I'm connecting to switch, I have to use a straight cable. Okay, rollover will come to know in our last slide. Okay, because first you have to understand a straight and cross cable. So if I'm connecting switch to switch, cross cable, but if I'm connecting switch to router, see it is a different device than a straight. If I'm connecting switch to PC, straight. Okay, so here simple strategy you have to define here, that whenever I'm connecting my PC, whenever I'm connecting any networking device to any other networking device, you have to keep only these two things in your mind, that if it is the same device I will use cross cable, if it is different device I have to use straight cable. Okay, cross this rollover will come to know. Okay, now straight cable use. See, usually a straight cable is used to connect different types of devices. Like if I want to connect a computer or PC to switch or hub with the normal port, okay, connect a computer or PC, this modem we are not using nowadays. Okay, okay, now see, if I want to connect router, okay, WAN port, see if I'm connecting my router to WAN port, right? Means wireless router or any kind of router. So it is, here we are using a straight cable. Okay. So why? Because my PC and router is a different device. My PC and switch is a different device. That's why I'm using cross cable. Okay. Sorry, straight cable. Now, so here is, you can see here one diagram is here, that uh, switch to router, straight cable, switch to PC, straight cable, switch to server, straight cable, hub to PC, straight cable, hub to server, straight cable. Okay, now, so this is your cable which is raw material. Now we are going to define that, okay, how we are going to construct this cable in our straight cable. Okay, now understand this one, straight cable example. Straight through or a straight cable is the same thing. Okay, a straight cable connects the following devices, means switch to router. If I'm connecting switch to router, in that case I need a straight cable. If I'm connecting switch to workstation, means switch to PC or server, I need a straight cable. Hub to PC or server, I need a straight cable. Now, so guys, here you can see I told you in our lesson number 3 that twisted pair cable comes with 8 wire, 4 pair and 5 color. Okay, so colors are like you can see here, orange, blue, green and brown, right? And each colors comes with one extra white stripe, so you can say that blue, this is the full blue and this is blue white, so full orange, orange white. Okay, so this, so every pair is coming with one full color and one with white. Okay, so you have to understand that. Okay, uh, how we are going to use this one. So here you can see that this is your RJ45 pin, RJ45, you can say this connector. Okay, so whenever you see this connector, so this connector comes with 8 pins, 8 pins, 8 wires, we have here 8 pins. So how we will be connecting these wires to these pins? Okay, so you can see here I have pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, but you can see how I have arranged here. Okay, see, the first pin will be your orange white always. So see, maybe I have one cable, let me give you one example, just give me 1 second. Okay, now, okay, so you can see here that this is our cable. Let me zoom little bit. Okay, okay, see, this is our cable. So this cable has two end point. Okay, two end point. See, every cable has two end point, right? So one I'm connecting to another PC and second I'm connecting to another PC. So this is my PC number 1 and this point will connect to my PC number 1 and this point will connect to another PC or maybe switch or router, right? Every cable has two endpoints. Is it okay? Now, so when I'm talking about connecting these cables, right? So every cable has 8 wire. I told you, right? This cable has 8 wire. So how we are going to connect this one? So pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which wire, which color will be connecting to pin number 1? Okay, so you can see here, let me come, like this is your cable, right? So if this is my cable, okay, so this is my cable which I told you, this is my this is our UTP cable, right? Twisted pair cable. So this is your raw material. This one is what? It's a raw material. What is this? This one is raw material. So when I'm talking about raw material, so how you are going to construct this raw material to use this raw material in your organization as you want to implement or as you want to use this cable as a straight cable, right? So which wire will be using as a pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5? So this we are going to talk in this our straight cable. Okay, then we'll come to know about cross cable, then rollover cable. Okay, so understand this one. Okay, so here in our straight cable, as I told you that we will be using two pins, 2 points. Okay, so point number 1 and point number 2, or you can say connected number 1, connected number 2. Okay, now, so as we have raw material of the cable, okay, so when you have this connector, okay, you have to insert the cable from this point. Okay, and now the first you have to use the cable, the color coding, the orange white, then orange, then green white, then blue, blue white, then green, brown white, and then brown. See, this one is the standard, universal standard color coding. Okay, now, so if I'm using straight cable, so the color coding will be same in the first connector or in the first end as well as in the second end also. Okay, so you can see here, if I'm using a straight cable, so the cable color, like suppose this is my connector. Okay, so in this connector, if the orange white is connected on my pin number 1, so in second connector my same cable will be connecting to my pin number 1, orange white. Same here, orange, same pin number 2, orange in my second connector. So if you will construct like this, then you will have your straight cable. And when you will have a straight cable, you can start using your straight cable for connecting two different devices together. Okay, okay. Now here, this is same straight cable example. You can see this is our cable. Okay, the cable has two end point, and these cables points are connected like, see, pin number 1 orange white, orange green white, blue blue white, green brown white, and brown. Wait guys, yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so here you have, this is the universal color coding. So whenever you want to define, you have to define as per universal standard. Now you will say that, okay, why should I define as per universal standard? Because you have to connect with other organization, you have to connect with internet, you have to connect with your branch, right? It's not that inside in your company. Okay, let me give you one example. Inside your company, whenever you want to connect and construct the cable, so you can construct according to your own choice. Like instead of orange white, I want green white, no problem, you can keep. Okay, but whenever you will use this cable for connecting another device which is using this standard, universal standard, you won't be able to communicate with those devices. Okay, but if you want to use as a universal, you can use this universal cable color coding. So let me repeat this lesson again, this point again. A straight cable is used for connecting different device to different device together. So the color coding is like orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, brown. Okay. So whatever color you have used in port number 1, you have to use same in the port number 2nd. Okay, then your straight cable will be working efficient. Okay, now we are talking about cross cable. Okay, so how this cross cable will be working? Okay, now, so cross cable is used for connecting same type of devices. Same type of devices, like whenever I'm connecting PC to PC, in that case you need straight, sorry, cross cable, switch to switch cross cable, switch to hub cross cable, hub to hub cross cable, router to router cross cable, and router to PC cross cable. Now here you will have confusion that router and PC is a two different device, then why we are using as the same device, right? But guys, here cross cable is used for same device. Router is different device and PC is different device, but all you have to keep in mind that router use Ethernet port, PC also use Ethernet port, okay, with same technology. That's why router and PC are used as a same device, okay, not as a different device. Okay, now, so as I told you that how we have to construct our straight cable. So straight cable construction I have given you here the example. Okay, now we are going to construct cross cable. So cross cable is used for connecting two different device. Straight cable is used for connecting, sorry, straight cable is used for connecting two different device. So here we have, I have given you the example, and cross cable is used for same devices. Okay, now, so in a straight cable, I have given you example that okay, we need to construct like orange white, orange green white, blue blue white, green brown white and brown. Okay, and after that in the second connector we have kept same. Why? Because we are constructing a straight cable. Now in cross cable, see, in cross cable the first connector will be same like straight cable. Okay, so whatever you are going to define, straight cable, cross cable or rollover cable, okay, your cable, the first point or first connector will be like this one. Okay, same like a straight cable. See, this is also same like a straight cable. Orange white, orange green white, blue blue white, green brown white and brown. Okay, now second connector, it will depend what type of connect cable you want to construct. If I want to construct a straight cable, I will use same color coding, but if I am using as a cross cable, I will be using in a different method. So how in a different method? See here, very simple example. If I am using as a cross cable, so see, pin number 1 of connector 1, pin number 1. So what cable color I'm using here, which color I'm using here, orange white. So orange white pin number 1 will connect to pin number 3 in our second connector. Okay, so here I have given you example, pin color, or you can say pin 1 cable. Okay, so cable, which color is there? Orange white. On pin number 1 of connector 1, it will connect to pin number 3 in connector 2. Okay, so here I am using orange white, so pin number 3 orange white will come here. Here I am using pin number 2 orange, so it will come here in pin number 6. Okay, so only you have to take care about 4 cable: orange white, orange, green white and green. Okay, only 4 cable, others will be connecting directly as they are in cross cable also and in straight cable also. Here in we are using only 4 cables for communication, 2 for transmission and 2 for receiving. Okay, other fours are not, other 4 cables are not in use. Okay, so I here I have given you example, pin number 1 which is orange white will come to pin number 3 in our connector 2. Orange, which is pin number 2 in connector 1, will connect to pin number 6 of connector 2. Now again pin number 3 of connector 1, which is green white, will connect to pin number 1 of connector 2. Now 4 and 5 will connect same. Now pin number 6 of connector 1 will connect to pin number 2 of connector 2. Okay, if you want I can give you the video of this. Okay, because I cannot configure it. Okay, so what I will do, I will share one YouTube video with you, that how to create cross cable, how to create straight cable. Okay, but here I'm just giving you example that you should understand. And the last 7 and 8 you have to connect same, because these cables are not in use. If you want, you can connect. If you want not to connect them, no problem, because some cables here I told you that this twisted pair cable is coming with 8 wire, but some cables comes with only 4 wire, which is orange white orange, green white and green. Okay, because blue white, brown and brown white, they you'll find only 4 wires. So I can show you, okay, after this class. Okay, so here I have again another example of this cross cable. That, okay, see, pin number 1 orange white orange, green white, blue white, same. So this cable, the point, the connector 1 will be same whatever you want to configure. Like if I want to create straight cable, my connector 1 will be same. If I want to configure or create cross cable, my connector 1 will be same. If I want to create rollover cable, my connector 1 will be same. It will depend on your connector, second connector, that okay, you want to construct a straight, rollover or cross cable. Okay, so here see, pin number 1 will connect to pin number 3, pin number 2 will connect to pin number 6. Okay, pin number 3 again, pin number 1. See here you have to use this 12. Okay, and sorry, 12 not, 1 3 2 6. Pin number 1 will connect to pin number 3 and pin number 2 will connect to pin number 6. So same here. Okay, so whatever example I have given to you. Okay, so let me, I have already shared this slide with you, so let me clean this one and show you again. Okay, so you can see here, pin number 1 will be connecting to pin number 3, and pin number 2 is connecting to pin number 6, pin number 3 is connecting to pin number 1, and pin number 6 is connecting to pin number 2. Okay, so 1 3 3 1 2 6 and 6 2. Okay, very simple. Okay, now rollover cable. See, this cable you have to create in very rare condition. Okay, how in rare condition? Because this, I hope you know about this cable. Okay, see, this cable is known as console cable. So whenever I want to configure any type of networking device like switch, router, okay, firewall, right? So in that case I have to use this console cable. So this RJ45 cable will be connecting to my router console port, and this port is a serial port which will be connecting to my PC, right? But if you have this port, no problem. But if you do not have this cable, in that condition immediately you have to create this type of cables in your organization, and you have to configure the router, right? Because this console cable is only used for configuring the router, not for connecting the routers. But the straight cable, what we have known, that straight cable and cross cable is used for connecting the devices, but console cable is not used for connecting the devices. Console cable is used for configuring the devices. Okay, now, so how we will be making this rollover cable if this rollover cable is not in your organization, or console cable is not in your organization? See, As I told you, whatever cable you want to define, straight, rollover or cross cable, the first connector, the first pin will be always same. The first pin will be always same here. Like orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white and brown. After that, the second connector will depend which type of connect cable you want to define, right? So here you have to make it totally opposite. So pin number 1 will connect to pin number 8, pin number 2 will connect to pin number 7, 3 will connect to 6, 4 will connect to 5, totally opposite. Okay, simple, very simple. It's not that type of tough that okay. Simply whatever pin is on 1, you have to use in pin number 8. So up to down like this. Okay, so these types of, but I told you that rollover cable we use in very rare condition. Okay, but we, the technology you should know that okay, in emergency case you can check and you can configure that okay, how to define these types of cables. Okay, so this is the rollover example. So if you do not have console cable, in that case you can configure rollover cable for router and other type of networking device configuration, not for connection. Okay, so we have completed our lesson number 4. Okay, now we will be coming to know about lesson number 5, which is very much important. Okay, the IP addressing, because IP address is the base of any networking. If you don't know IP address, you don't know networking. Very simple. Okay, so let's know about lesson number 5.